Australia. My name's Tony Pace and the Chairman of the SPS Corporation. I've known Federico for many years, great businessman, a good friend, and now a successful author. Well, the sound of business, to me, in essence, the soul, the culture of the business. We've always listened to our people, key driver in all decisions that we make in driving our business forward. If you're looking for the sound of business, well, it's all around you. It's your people. It's your colleagues. These are the people that make up what in essence is the soul of your business. Any success will be driven by the people. If you value your people, if you look after your people, they will look after you. So if as yet you have not found the sound of business, well, look, it's all around you. It's your key people. Talk to them, listen to them, include them. They will be the key to your success.